Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and we are looking at historic cemeteries today, but we're looking at something's different. We're looking at a gravestone, and let me turn it around here. Now, there is some question if this is a cow or a lamb. Now, Crazy Cemetery Lady, not my name, what she goes by on Twitter, or excuse me, on TikTok. I don't know if she's on Twitter. Cleans graves, and she says that this is a cow. Other people are saying that it is a lamb. Now, there's two children here, Grace Farmer and Harry Alexnader. Harry was 1, Grace was 4, and one died on September 1st, one died on September 26th. And they were the children of George F. and Mary W. Peck, as you see there. Now, the Crazy Cemetery lady seemed to think that they were all alone here, that there was no other graves. This one here is their mother's grave, NWP, Mary Wells Ferguson Peck. At least that's what Find a Grave says. And so I don't see anything on the back. There's nothing on the back other than that she was buried here. Now, what's interesting about this is their father, George Farmer Peck, with his brother, started that private labels women's wear, Peck and Peck. And I'll have more. I always check out the description. I always have more information in the description. In any case, he got married again to Emma Jane, and they had 2 children, Frederic and Evelyn. I couldn't find out anything about where any of them were buried. He's buried here, apparently, but I'm not sure where. That's somebody else. So I'm not quite sure where he's buried, but it does say he's buried here. Now you've heard maybe of John Hudson Peck, who was very famous in Troy, in the area. They're not related, 2 different people. But tell me what you think. Is it a lamb or a calf? Now, some say it's, well, I checked with AI too, and they said that it was a calf laying down. Other people will say it is sheep laying down, lamb. I don't know. It does have, the back does make it look like it could be a lamb. The ears kind of look like a cow. Tell me in the description what you think. Now, that's their mother's grave, so they're not buried alone, which was what the Crazy Cemetery lady said. I will include her link to her TikTok so you can listen to what she did. She did a marvelous job. If you saw what this looked like before, it was in sad shape. 1888. She died from childbirth of their 3rd son. That's why I'm surprised there's none. Now that is a plot stone, and I find the same type of plot stone. Do I? Yes, there's the same type of plot stone here. So from that plot stone there to that one over there is Peck graves. Mary Wells, daughter of Alexnader Ferguson, wife of George F. Peck. So there we go. There's George F. Peck there. That's his. Mary Wells Peck, daughter of Okay. So this is all Peck. They put in another stone there for some reason, I'm not sure. So this goes all the way down to those two stones there. So, see, Ferguson. Ferguson, there's a relationship here. Check the description. Always check the description. It'll give you more information than what's here. So this is Peck and family, Ferguson and family. Now he's supposedly buried in here too somewhere. No. That's another grave. So he could be buried in here. Maybe. Alexander W. Ferguson. Huh. I find this interesting. Mary Wells, daughter of, wife of George F. Peck, 1853 to 1888. Right there. That's that. That's their mother. But I don't see any other names on there. That's interesting. So, where is George F. Peck buried? We don't know. 1900. It's so hard to see. And all right. George H. Enos. They're inside this plot though. Jesse. Yeah, Jesse D. Enos. Huh. That's interesting. This is all related somehow. It's hard to say. That's marble. That's one problem with marble, is that it disintegrates. Well, let's look back here. Let's look back here. George. No. I don't think that's Peck. I don't believe so. There's the plot stones there. So I think this is a whole nother plot up back in here. But this is all Peck family here. So, crazy cemetery lady, was all her information correct? Some of it, yes. She seemed to think that these two were buried here all by themselves and no family. That's not true. This is a big family plot. And I want to think of it as a Ferguson plot, I guess. Wife of George P. Peck. Yeah, Peck. So here's the question. Tell me in the comment section. Calf or lamb or sheep? Just a sheep. So tell me what you think. Hard to say. It kind of looks partially it looks like a calf to me, but well, you look at the other side and it looks kind of woolly. So I don't know. In any case, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, hit the like button, and tell others. I appreciate every single one of you. And leave a comment. I answer them all, even some of the ones I don't like. Talk to you later. Bye now. So lamb, or calf. And I'll connect I have one on a lamb. I'll connect that. Ta-ta.